Welcome to this video. Today I will show you the overvoltage feature of the Chipmunk USB testers. You probably know the normal Chipmunk USB tester, which plugs into a normal USB port, a traditional one, but now there's also a USB-C version that plugs into the USB-C port of more modern computers. I have the power supply set up for 5 volts and the normal USB tester plugged in. If we turn on the power, you see both red LEDs come on, showing that the power is applied and that the 5 volts is within reasonable limits. If I decrease the voltage, you see at about 4.75 volts, the 5 volt LED turns off. There's still power, but it's not acceptable 5 volts anymore. If we increase the voltage, five volts, and we slowly go up, and you see that at about let me see where it is. Yeah, at about 5.25 volts, it starts blinking rapidly, showing that the voltage is too high. It's not acceptable anymore. In the case of a normal Mac with normal USB, this can hardly ever happen. In real life, you'll probably never see this. But with the newer Macs with USB-C, this is actually a very big problem. Let me show you this with the new USB-C tester. Set it to 5 volts. Let's unplug this one. I have a little adapter thingy to have it plug in. Again, both lights light up. 5 volt is present and the 5 volt is correct. If we increase the voltage, and you see at 5.4 volts it starts blinking fast, indicating that the voltage is too high. It is no longer acceptable 5 volts, and it could even be dangerous, because in the case of the newer Macs, if something goes wrong, horribly wrong with the CD32 whatever chips inside the Mac, then the Mac can actually output 20 volts. And yeah, if you're not aware of that, then any device that you plug into that particular bad USB-C port will be killed immediately. The tester itself is designed to withstand up to 40 volts, I think. So the tester should survive. So in case of any Mac where you're worried or might be worried or should be worried about the quality of the USB-C ports, please plug in our tester first. If it blinks rapidly like this, then be warned and sort out the problem before you plug anything in. Here an example from the real world. As you can see, the USB-C tester is small enough so that 2 of them will fit side by side. So on this side they blink because the voltage is too high, and the other side is happy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like our products.